Question 20. Sally has 72 small wooden cubes, each measuring 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. She arranges them all so that they form a cuboid. Given that the perimeter of the base of the cuboid is 16 centimetres, what is its height? So I did this one with trial and error. I know my perimeter is always going to be 16. And therefore, if I thought about the width of 1, my width would be 2, and then I'd need to make up 14 with the lengths. Then I could have 2 and 6, 3 and 5, or 4 and 4. Obviously, if it was 4 and 4, well, it depends on how high it is. So we know the perimeter each of these of the base. But the area of the base, the area of that the base takes up, so one layer, the area at the bottom will be 1 times 7, 12, 15 and 16. And then I'm going, okay, so I need to have layers on top of these to be able to make it into a cuboid, and they need to be exact with no cubes left. So is this a factor of 72? Well, 7 isn't a factor, 12 is a factor, 15 is not a factor, 16 is not a factor. Therefore, we're looking at the area being, so we know if we're drawing a cuboid out, we know that one of these dimensions is going to be 2, the other is going to be 6. We've got layers of 12, and 6 multiplied by 12 is 72. Therefore, this length here is going to be 6. It's 6 centimetres. And therefore, the answer is B. That's question 20.